Alright, I got the scraper blade here on. Big scraper blade on a little tractor. And where the pond was, let's see if we can't smooth this out a little better, fill that in a little more. And it might still be too muddy in there. That little dog is to actually pack it down, but at least I can kind of, while it is sort of wet, maybe scrape some of this up. This needs to come down just a little bit here, and I can use that to fill that in. So we'll see if this little tractor will pull this big scraper blade and help me out there. Alright, so that's probably too much scraper blade for this little tractor, but it is working, as you can see. I'll just have to it's kind of hard to work it and use the camera too, but I'll just have to watch how far it's digging in there, but it's going to work. That's a really nice scraper blade too. You know, pivots in every direction you want it to. And it is a 6-foot blade. Sticker's almost gone there, and this is a pretty little tractor, so. But just take my time and keep going here and see if I can get this to look nice and pretty here. Alright, well, it's still just too muddy here. I tried to drive in here and I just sink, so I'm afraid if I just keep driving around, it's just going to keep getting messier and messier. So my plan, I've got this pretty good all the way around, so I'll just let it dry, and next time it actually is dry enough, just spread this pile of dirt out, do a little more on the sides maybe, and that should get me there. So yeah, kind of have to keep easing on it, don't go all the way, but still pulling that 6-foot straight blade. A little awkward, but it's working, and it moves a lot.